Hello future CAs, welcome back to my channel. If you are preparing for CA Inter Auditing and Ethics and aiming to score more than 80 plus in this subject, you are at the right place. In today's video, I'll be walking you through a strategic chapter wise breakdown focusing on key areas to prioritize, the important section wise weightages, and how you can maximize your score by leveraging the right techniques. Stick around because this is going to give you the edge you need. If you are new to my channel, I request you to subscribe and hit the bell icon below so that you can get notified when I post new videos. So the entire syllabus is divided into 9 sections, which is made up of 11 chapters. For each of the section, we will see the section wise weightage. We will also see which all chapters come under that section, and I will also provide you with some chapter specific guidance. So the section wise weightage for section 1 is 4% to 6%, and the chapter coming under this section is chapter 1, Nature, Objective and Scope of Audit. For this chapter, understand the purpose, objectives and importance of auditing. Gain insights into different types of audit like external audits, the qualities needed in an auditor, and the limitations of auditing. Explore the relation between auditing and other disciplines. The section wise weightage for section 2 is 8% to 12%. And the chapter coming under section 2 is chapter 2, Audit Strategy, Audit Planning and Audit Program. For this chapter, learn the significance of audit planning, development of audit strategy, and the structure of audit plans and programs. Understand how planning is an ongoing process involving key engagement members and ethical considerations. The section wise weightage for section 3 is 8% to 12%. And the chapter falling under the category section 3 is chapter 3, Risk Assessment and Internal Control. This chapter covers the meaning of audit risk and its assessment, the significance of internal control and the role of IT systems and data analytics in auditing. Focus on the significance of internal controls and the need to test them to ensure reliable financial reporting. The section wise weightage for section 4 is 12% to 18%. And the chapter coming under the category of section 4 is chapter 4, Audit Evidence, and chapter 6, Audit Documentation. Chapter 4, Audit Evidence. Audit evidence is vital for forming conclusions and opinions on companies' financial statements. The sufficiency and appropriateness of this evidence is crucial, determined by its quantity, quality, source, nature, and obtaining circumstances. Also, learn the procedures for obtaining evidence, testing, control, and substantive analytical methods. Chapter 6, Audit Documentation. For this chapter, understand the purpose, nature, and extent of audit documentation, including how to prepare and maintain audit records. Learn about the completion memorandum and the ownership and custody of audit documentation in accordance with SA 230. The section wise weightage for section 5 is 12% to 20%. And the chapter coming under the category of section 5 is chapter 5, Audit of Items of Financial Statements. This chapter covers the audit of financial statement items, emphasizing key concepts like audit assertions, occurrence, completion, valuation, etc., and their verification. It outlines specific audit procedures for balance sheet, income statement, and disclosures, using practical examples to demonstrate real world application. The section wise weightage for section 6 is 8% to 12%, and the chapter falling under section 6 is chapter 7, Completion and Review. For this chapter, focus on the auditor's obligations regarding subsequent events, evaluating the going concern assumption, and assessing misstatements. Also, learn about written representation, how they serve as audit evidence, and the communication process with those charged with governance. The section wise weightage for section 7 is 8% to 12%. And the chapter falling under section 7 is chapter 8, Audit Report. This chapter focuses on the audit report, its objectives as per SA 700 and its key sections, such as auditor's opinion, basis of opinion, and key audit matters. It covers the different type of audit opinions: unmodified, modified, qualified, adverse, and disclaimer, and also explains when to use key audit matters, emphasis of matter, and other matter paragraphs. The section wise weightage for section 8 is 12% to 18%. And the chapters coming under section 8 are chapter 9, special features of audit of different type of entities, and chapter 10, audit of banks. Chapter 9, special features of audit of different type of entities. This chapter provides detailed insight into the tailored audit approaches required for diverse organizations based on their nature and legal framework. Explore the unique audit needs for entities like government bodies, NGOs, and educational institutions, and understand relevant legal frameworks. Focus on the role of the Comptroller and Auditor General in government audits and specific legal framework guiding audits for different sectors. Chapter 10, Audit of Banks. This chapter discusses the legal framework and procedures involved in auditing banks. Study the regulatory framework for bank audits, focusing on areas like advances, non-performing assets, and income recognition, as well as the role of IT and internal controls. The section-wise weightage for section 9 is 8% to 10%. And the chapter coming under section 9 is chapter 11, Ethics and Terms of Audit Engagements. This chapter emphasizes on the ethical principle and independence essential for auditors. You must focus on ethical principles, auditor independence, threats to independence, and quality control standards for audit firms. Along with focused study, it's important to maintain a healthy lifestyle. Eating nutritious food, exercising regularly, and incorporating mindfulness practices like meditation can keep your mind sharp and stress levels in check. Trust in your preparation and approach the exam with confidence. That's it for today's video. I hope this detailed chapter specific guidance helps you streamline your preparation and boost your confidence to achieve that 80% targets in auditing and ethics paper. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more exam tips and strategies. All the best for your exams, and I will see you all in the next video.